To register for Leisure Learning classes, go to the Leisure Learning website, uwf.edu/leisurelearning. Here, there are two options to log in. The blue button that says Log into your account here to register, or Log in to register. You will click one of these and be directed to the registration page. You must have an account to proceed even if you do not become a member and are registering for classes that are open to non-members. If you do not already have an account, you will click on Create Account and fill in the required information. Here, you will also create a username and password. Once you have created your account, click Submit. You will be redirected to the login page. Once you log in, you must purchase a membership in order to see and register for Leisure Learning member classes. You must have an active membership through the date of the class you are registering for. For example, if you want to register for a class that's on November 1st, you must have an active membership that does not expire until after November 1st. If you are registering for the unlimited class option or would like to register a guest, you must contact the office. Otherwise, you will click on My Account at the top right and go to My Memberships. On this page, you can see which memberships you have and check the expiration date. A reminder that if you're not seeing classes, check here to make sure your membership does not expire before the class dates. To purchase or renew a membership, select the membership level for renewal, Annual Leisure Learning Membership, and click Add to Cart. If you are only purchasing a membership, you can choose to check out. If you would like to register for classes, click Continue Shopping. There are 4 different ways to search for classes. One way is to do a keyword search. Click on Course Search on the left. This will bring you to a page with a search box. If you know a keyword or the title of the class you are searching for, you can type it in the keyword box and click Search. To add the class, click on the title. This will take you to the course details page where you can see all of the information and add it to your cart. You can also search by category by clicking Course Search from the menu on the left and then Category Search. This will bring you to the Course Categories page where you can see Leisure Learning near the bottom. You click on the title of the class and that takes you to the Course Details page where you can view the details and add it to your cart. Another way to search for classes is to click on Leisure Learning Classes from the menu on the left side of the page. This will show search results in alphabetical order by title. They can be sorted by date by clicking on Dates at the top of the results. The last way to search for classes is to click on Calendar View from the menu on the left. You can choose the month from the drop-down menu or click on the month next to the drop-down menu. You will also see all continuing education classes on the calendar. Once you locate the class on the calendar, you can click on the title, which will take you to the Course Details page where you can see the information and add the class to your cart. Notice that if a class is available, it will say Registration Available. If it says Waitlist Available, you can still add it to your cart. Once you check out, you will not be charged for the waitlist classes, but you will be added to the waitlist. If a spot becomes available in the class, we will contact you. If you are still interested in being registered for the class, we will register you and take your payment at that time. If you are put on a waitlist and no longer want to attend, please contact the office so that we can remove you from the waitlist. Once you have all of the classes that you would like to register for in your cart, you can click Checkout. If you have a balance due, you will be directed to enter your payment information. Once your payment is processed, you will be directed to the Checkout Complete page where you can print your receipt. You'll also receive an email copy of your receipt. Once you have registered for your classes, you may view them by clicking My Account, Registrations. There is also a printable PDF report under My Account, Print Reports. If you have any questions or issues, you can always contact student support at 850-473-7468. I also recommend taking the free Leisure Learning Overview, Help, and Updates class. It is offered every term and I go over this process. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing you in class.